Let's dive into understanding the Portfolio tab within the Profile section of dResume. While the Projects tab, which we looked at in the previous video, is focused on detailed project histories, the Portfolio tab is your space to showcase individual achievements, work samples, and standout items that highlight your skills, whether or not they are tied to specific projects. To add a new portfolio item, click the plus icon over here, and this will open the Add Portfolio box, the pop-up box. In the pop-up, fill out the following fields, such as the item name, which is the title of the portfolio item, which in my case is going to be a personal photography portfolio. Next is the item type, which is the category or type of my item, which is photography. This is just an example to show you how a portfolio works. That's it. Next, we have a link, which is a URL link to the item if it's applicable, which in my case is going to be this URL. Finally, we have the item description, which is a brief description of what the item is about and why it's relevant, which in my case is a small sentence I've added over here. It's a mini paragraph of sorts. And as usual, it asks you whether you want to add this to your public dResume profile or not, which I'm going to go ahead and say yes. Once you've completed all the fields, click Save to add the item to your portfolio, which you can say that it added to portfolio successfully over here. Once after you've added a portfolio instance, you can see that it gives you two icons over here. The edit icon lets you update the item's details whenever it's needed. The delete icon over here allows you to remove the item from your portfolio entirely. You can add multiple portfolio items using the plus icon over here, and there's no restriction on the number of items you can include. Now, let's see how this looks on a public dResume profile. As you scroll down, you can see that there's a portfolio section over here, and whatever we've added as details is mentioned over here.